Hey friends, it's Danielle from Take Care Mama, and I am so excited to introduce to you our 4 new hens. I've wanted backyard chickens forever, and we finally got them, and I thought I would show you our little setup. We were so fortunate. We spent $0 on our coop. We decided to use our late dog's old doghouse. My friend Morgan and her husband are really big chicken people, so they kind of helped us decide that this was doable, and that was awesome because we didn't have to spend money and we didn't really have to go anywhere during quarantine. So basically, Phil kind of reconfigured the fence to surround it. We also added a fence kind of on the roof and a tarp up there. So the fenced in part that you're looking at now is considered the run. And then they have access to the doghouse or chicken coop as it is now. And that is where they sleep and lay eggs and kind of hang out when they're cold or, I don't know, tired. I will link everything I can below. Keep in mind, we are beginners at this. Roof of the doghouse / chicken coop opens, which is so nice, and I just put some plywood there to keep it open. It was heavy for me, so I lied. Phil did buy these actuators to help me lift the roof. It wasn't completely necessary, but I really appreciate it. There's a bar there that we installed for them to sit on. They really like that, supposedly. We're still new. These are the nesting boxes. They have not used them yet, as far as I can tell. Morgan's husband, Tom, told me to put golf balls in there. He's linked below, and hopefully that will help them know that's what that's for. But we have gotten 10 eggs. Today is our 10th day of having them, so we've gotten 1 every single day. Our friends ordered these on the same order. 3 families kind of split them. We only have 4. Each other family has way more, and we're the only ones to get eggs so far. So we're thinking one of ours is a little bit older than the rest. They're all around 6 months old. Again, we are new. It has only been a week and a half, but they are delightful. They are so much fun. And it's a good excuse to get outside. We let them roam around the yard when we're outside. We don't want to do that when we're not with them just because of animal predators, but they are so much fun, and they're getting more and more used to us. They really like Norma. If she's crawling around on the grass, they go right up to her, which is the sweetest thing. And I named them after the Desperate Housewives. So we have, that looks like Brie or Susan. I can't quite tell because of the sunlight. But we have Brie, Susan, Gabrielle, and Lynette. To be perfectly honest, I can't tell Gabby and Lynette apart yet, but I am working on it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to take care. Bye, guys.